Hello and welcome. I am Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And today I want to talk about really benefits for people who have won asylum. And the question is, okay, now you've won asylum, now what? And how do you get your family member to come to the United States? Or if your family member's already here, is there a way that they can be eligible for asylum as well? And so really what we're talking about in all of that is a family-based petition based on your asylum eligibility, based on your asylum grant. And what that is it's a petition on form I-730, all right? The I-730 allows for people who have won asylum to petition for spouses and children, all right? So the first thing you've got to know is that your spouse or your child had to have been your spouse or child, meaning the marriage had to have happened, or the child had to have been born, and actually there's an exception if the child was conceived and not yet born. But anyway, you have to have that relationship on the day that your asylum case was approved, all right? And so that's something to know about. If you just had your asylum interview and you're madly in love with another human being, all right, sometimes it's really good advice to marry that person before your decision's issued, because that way you can petition for that person if you win, all right? And so just know that. Anyway, so the I-730 allows for you to petition for spouses and children as long as that relationship happened before the grant of asylum. There's also a time limit to filing an I-730 petition. It must be on file within 2 years of your grant of asylum, all right? There are some exceptions that USCIS will be willing for humanitarian reasons to extend that deadline, but typically it's got to be on file within 2 years, and so don't blow your 2-year deadline, all right? Sometimes we also have questions like, does it matter if my spouse is in a different country? Does it matter if my spouse is here in the United States? Does it matter if my spouse is here in the United States illegally? All right? The answer to those questions are, sometimes it depends. The truth is an I-730 can be won for a spouse regardless of where they are in the world. We can consular process it through the consulate overseas, or we can adjust status once an I-730 is approved for somebody who's here in the United States. However, at the time of that application, that person cannot be barred from asylum. So no particularly serious crimes, no persecution of others, I have videos on each of the 8. There are 8 big bars that would prevent a person from filing for asylum. Additionally, USCIS says that the person should be, quote unquote, admissible, all right? But actually, the admissibility issues go towards discretion, because the I-730 is a discretionary petition, all right? And so if your spouse has ever accumulated unlawful presence in the United States, for example, or if there's some fraud in the past of your spouse, right? We've got to look at that, and we've got to see, it might still be worth filing that I-730 petition, but we might just need to be aware of what can we show to overcome those issues as a matter of discretion. All of this is to say, I-730 petitions, if you've won asylum, congratulations. There's a way, and it's called the I-730 petition, to petition for your spouse and children. Children, remember, are kids that are under 21 and unmarried, all right? So there's a way to do that, and we can help you do that. And if you have questions about the details of your case, please get in touch with our office. We've got our number, see it here on our website or see it below this video. Our consultations team is outstanding. We can walk you through the process, and we can explain how this could possibly benefit you and your family so that you can all be here together in the United States. I hope this video was useful. Thank you so much for watching. If it was useful, please subscribe to our channel here on YouTube. All right, it helps other people find these videos. And you can also sign up for notifications or whatever so that you get a little notification whenever there's a new video posted. So thank you very much for watching. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Thank you.